Get excited about the 2012 Jeep Patriot. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.